Miniflex Plenum fibre cable is made from a flame retardant and low smoke material. It meets the National Electrical Code specification for being installed inside plenum spaces. The Miniflex Plenum cable is ultra flexible. This 4mm product will bend down to 5 times its diameter. That's 20mm radius. It will also take up to 24 optical fibres, which can be single mode or multi-mode. Because of its hard polymer construction, it can be clipped directly to walls or installed into existing microducts and conduits. Miniflex Plenum fibre cable is used for in-building fibre installations. It can be run into air conditioning systems and heating ventilation shafts. Whether it's clipped to the wall or installed into existing infrastructure, it meets the rigorous UL guidelines for a non-conductive plenum chamber cable.